Hey guys, what's up? Hamid here from itsmadeeasy.com. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this pot model in easy steps in SolidWorks. Come, let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, and here we have our 2D diagram of the 3D part model that we are going to draw in SolidWorks. And now, as usual, we'll be having a look on this 2D diagram, and by noticing it we can observe that we can complete this model in just 2 steps. I mean, starting from the first model, the front view of this, we are going to extrude to 59 mm, and after that we are going to cut this portion from this plane. Okay, let's start our part model. As usual, I'm starting with the front plane and I'm taking this point as the origin. I'm going to start from that point. I have 41.5, which is given in the diagram itself, and from here to here it's not given directly, and we are supposed to take, like, from here to here they have given us 45, and from here to here they have given us 22, so from here to here it's supposed to be 23. And this length they haven't given, like it's somewhat like critical part, like a tricky part. This total height they have given at this side, which is 38 plus 19, which is 57, and from here this part to this part they have given us 41.5, from which we can get this part 57 minus 41.5, which is 15.5. And now towards right, here we have 22 plus 59, which is 81. Now towards downward 38, towards right 15, towards down 19, and yes, we can meet the origin point now. And now I'm going to just extrude this part to 59. It's not necessary to be in the mid plane, since it's we don't have any symmetrical part. It's okay, I'm giving the mid plane only. And now we are done with the major part, and the only process that we have remaining is just to draw this portion and just to extrude until 59 mm. And so I am taking this plane as perpendicular, and here what am I going to do is, from this point we have 25, so I'm just taking from here to here 25 and completing this part, and so we would get this like the cross section of this cut extrude part. And now we don't need this part, we will just trim it off, and with the help of this close contour we are going to just extrude cut to a length of 59, which is already driven here. Yep. And yes, we are done with today's 3D model session. And yeah, here we have 2D diagram, and here we have the respective 3D model. Hope you all enjoyed this video, I guess. Please do like our video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy to have you here. Thank you. See you in next session. Bye.